Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove a background in Canva Pro. It's quite simple. So we have this picture. You just click on the picture and you click on the background remover. And as you can see, the background is removed. Quite easy, quite simple. There's also another option. So for example, if the image is more complex and you want to choose which part you want to remove, you click on the edit button and then you can click on the magic eraser. Now you can manually remove part. For example, let's remove this door. Just erase it. This was quite bad. But you can see the principle. You just draw around, you click on erase. And with the magic eraser, it usually blurs whatever it erases. So it's not like with the background remover that it completely removes it. It usually blurs it. This is the background remover. As mentioned before, there are quite a lot of options. So for example, you also can magic wrap. So if you click on magic wrap, you can choose an element you want to grab. For example, this tree, you click on it and then you click on grab. And then it takes some seconds to load the image, and if the bar is finished you can grab the palm tree. In this case, let's just wait some seconds. And as you can see now, we now can move it around and even put it out of the picture. So it's also kind of eraser in this case because we can also delete it, and now there's no palm tree around here. And as you can see here, the window is still quite good. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video and it helped you.